Welcome to UpStylePress. How to detect screen size and window size in JavaScript and also detect the change on window resize. So this is the div that we have got to display the results. Inside script tags, const output document.querySelector output. We took a variable and got this div by using querySelector and then class name. Then let's define a function. Take variables for width and height. Width will be window.innerWidth and height will be window.innerHeight. Output.text content. Replace content in this div with this, including width and height. Output from these variables. Then this is the function. Here is the function call. Call the function that will display the information, and here is the information. And then on resize, call the function again to recalculate and display the information or values again by using window.addEventListener resize, and then call this function again. And here is the result that will calculate the width and height of window in JavaScript. And this is how simple it is to calculate width and height in JavaScript. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.